Hello everyone, my name is Urvisha Patel, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In this video, we are going to learn Unit number 2, JDBC Programming of Subject Advanced Java Programming. Subject code is 3160707. Outlines are Introduction to JDBC, JDBC API versus ODBC, the JDBC connectivity model, and JDBC architecture. Let's continue with Introduction to JDBC. JDBC known as Java Database Connectivity. JDBC is nothing but Java API. API means Application Programming Interface. Function of JDBC is to connect your Java application with your database server. JDBC is similar to Microsoft ODBC. Full form of ODBC is Open Database Connectivity. JDBC is used to feed your SQL request to database server. You can use different type of relational database like Oracle, MS SQL, MySQL and SQL Server. So actually JDBC is used to provide interface and classes to connect or communicate Java application with database. JDBC API. As I said, JDBC API means JDBC Application Programming Interface. It uses same function call to query or update database. No matter which database you are using, you can use any type of relational database to query or update databases. In all databases, the function call of JDBC API to query the databases are same. Database provider provides JDBC drivers that act as an interface between the JDBC function call and the DBMS system. We will learn JDBC driver in next video. JDBC API consists of a set of classes and interfaces. That classes and interfaces are written in Java programming language. So the main function is you can easily send SQL statement to relational database system using JDBC API. Main functions of JDBC API are: why do you need JDBC API? It is used to establish a connection with data source. It is used to send SQL queries to the database, and it is used to process the results. So main three functions of JDBC API: connect, establish a connection, send queries and process the results. ODBC versus JDBC. ODBC stands for Open Database Connectivity. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. ODBC is not appropriate for direct use from Java because it uses a C interface. The drawbacks are in the call from Java to C code, in security implementation, robustness, and automatic portability of application. ODBC code is written in C language and JDBC code is written in Java. So you can write number of drawbacks of Java over C code. Next, a literal translation of ODBC C API into Java API would not be desirable. Translation is not desirable because Java has no pointers and ODBC makes copious use of them. ODBC translated to a high level object oriented means it is hard to translate the ODBC API into Java API. ODBC is hard to learn. Why it is hard to learn? Because in ODBC, simple and advanced feature mixed together, and it has also complex option for simple queries. While JDBC was designed to keep simple things simpler while allowing more advanced capabilities as and when required. It has also advanced capabilities you can use as and when required. JDBC uses only Java API. Here the ODBC driver manager and drivers must be manually installed on every client machine, while JDBC drivers is completely written in Java. So JDBC code is automatically installable, portable and secure on all Java platforms. JDBC connectivity model: Java application, JDBC API, JDBC driver and database. We can use JDBC API to access tabular data stored in any relational database. By the help of JDBC API, we can save, update and fetch data from the database. It is same like Open Database Connectivity ODBC, which is provided by Microsoft. JDBC Architecture: Java application use JDBC API to connect with JDBC driver manager. Here you can see different drivers. These drivers are used to connect your Java application with Oracle, SQL Server and other types of data sources. Here is your Java application. JDBC API provides classes and interface to communicate a Java application with database. The main part of JDBC architecture is JDBC driver manager. This driver manager is used to connect your Java application with correct JDBC drivers. Actually, there are four types of drivers. We will learn all the drivers in next videos. JDBC drivers provide interface that handles the communication with database. JDBC architecture can be divided into two parts. First is two-tier architecture. In two-tier architecture, your Java application and JDBC both are on client machine and DBMS system is on another machine. Means it is your database server. Here we are using DBMS proprietary protocol as an interface to connect database management system with client machine. Two-tier architecture means your direct connection. Your application is directly connected with database management system with your database server through DBMS proprietary protocol. As I said, your application, you can say Java applet. Java applet is used for designing purpose, talks directly to the data source. For the connection, this requires a JDBC drivers. A user commands are delivered to database or other data source and the result of those statements are sent back to the user. The data source may be located on another machine to which the user is connected via network. The network should be an intranet or internet. As I said, it is a direct connection, means JDBC client makes direct connection to the DBMS server. JDBC three-tier architecture. Here your architecture is divided into three parts. Last is your database server. First is your client machine, means your GUI, graphical user interface. And here middleware is available. Using middleware, your client machine make the connection with database. Middleware has application server and JDBC. In first tier, Java applet or HTML browser is available for designing. Here your GUI is available. First tier is connected to middle tier using HTTP, RMI, Corba or other calls. Middle tier is connected with DBMS using DBMS proprietary protocol. So here it is indirect connection. Your Java application is not directly connected with the DBMS. Through middleware, your first tier is connected with the DBMS. As I said, it is indirect connection that client makes to a middleware process that act as a bridge to the DBMS server. Important questions. Draw and explain JDBC architecture or model. Write difference between ODBC and JDBC. In next video, we will learn JDBC drivers. Thank you.